Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Codism with Farhana. If you're facing this kind of problem, so this video is for you. So in this video I will show you how we can solve this problem easy way. Okay, so don't further delay, let's move to the video. So firstly we have to go to this PC, and then where is your XAMPP? So go to this location. So my XAMPP is in this location, new volume D, and usually it is in this place, but my memory is not huge space, so I added this in my this location. So this is not a big issue. Okay, then click here, XAMPP, and then we have to go to MySQL, and then copy this data folder, copy and paste it here. After paste, then you have to write here code. Okay, so go to this data folder, and after this here you can see our database which we created already. So this is already present here. Okay, so we have to just select here, press Ctrl and MySQL performance schema, PHP myadmin and test, this folder, and just delete it. Okay, and after that select this all files, and after select press Ctrl and find the this IB data 1. Just select it because we cannot delete this, and after that delete all the files. And here you can see we have just this file. This file is because we have created this databases, and if you created another databases, so that name is obviously that name will be here. Okay, so this is not a big problem. And after that we have to go to MySQL, and after backup, so here we have to select all and then press Ctrl, and just we have to click IB data 1 because we cannot take this. After that copy all the files and folders, see clearly. Okay, and after that go to MySQL, and after again go to data folder, and after that paste it here. So here you can see now all the folder and files is present here, and this IB data is came from this backup page. Okay, so after that let me check our XAMPP is okay. I close it and reopen, and after that start. See, now it is working perfectly, and go to admin. So guys, now you can see our all file and folders is present here. Okay, perfectly, all is working. Okay, so all is perfect. So guys, this is my video, and if you got help from my video, so please do like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. So till then,